Hey everyone, today's video I will guide you on how to start an LLC in Texas. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in Texas using an app called Busy. I will provide you with every up-to-date info that you need to know about Busy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So first, what is an LLC or limited liability company? So LLC is a type of business structure that combines elements of both corporations and partnerships. It offers flexibility and protection, making it a popular choice for many entrepreneurs. So first of all, I have to do is dive into busy.com. As you can see, this is the homepage. First steps, you have just to start with that and choose your entity type. Then you choose your state, which is Texas. If we scroll down, we have here three packages, as you can see. So we have the basic one, it's for free, but you have just to pay $300 for state fee, and it's important, or it's Then we have the second package, which is standard, that we have to pay $199 plus $300 for state fee, and it's 4 weeks. About the last one, we have premium, and you have to pay $399 plus $300 of state fee, and it's for 2 days. About the first one, we have here prepare and fill in the articles of organizations, then free first year registered agent service, and also we have online access dashboard, business banking account offer, business tax consultation. About the second one, we have the same things, but we have plus business tax number and operating agreement, and also lifetime compliance alerts and a limited phone and email support, and the lastings from 2552 53, sorry. And about the last one, we have the same things, but this thing that we have in the last package, it's expedited form and also business contract templates, and the last thing it's domain name plus business email. So after choose your package, all I have to do is click over get started. As you can see, you have your company information, so you have to write your LLC name. For example, I will write Mike, and you choose your designator, which is LLC. Then you click over next, and we have in next page state filling time. So we have the typical state filling time for Texas is 4 weeks. In a hurry, Texas offer an unexpected filling option as well. Select the filling time that best meets your needs. So you choose the first one or the second one. So about this one, we have 2 business days filling time. So you have to pay $50, and about the second one, we have just for free and 4 weeks filling time. So you click over next after choose your decision. Right, we have contact person, so please provide the name of the person responsible for this order whom we may contact if additional information is needed. So you write your first name, your last name, and your email address, then your phone number. Then you click over next. Then we have the next step, it's company address information. So you have just to read the benefits of using a private virtual mail, and then you choose between professional business address and virtual mail service, and use my own address. About this one, you have to pay $29 per month. About this one, it's for free. If you scroll down, we have company address and information about your address, like street address, address here, city, state. Of course, I will choose Texas. Then we have zip code, and then you click over next. Use Android. Then we have in the next page, it's premium service package. About this one, you have just to get limited time offer, but we have here $149 that you have to pay. Then we have in the next page, it's please provide members or information for Mike LLC. Then we have your number of members. Of course, I choose one because I work individually, and you can choose between a company, but I will choose individuals. Then you will link your personal information again, and you will also choose between assign Busy as my registered agent fee for 1 year, and I would like to act as my own registered agent and registered agent information. About this one, you have just to read this information, then you choose between them. Then you click over next. We have here the next page. It's tax identification number information. An employer identification number is a 9-digit number that is assigned by the heirs and used to identify taxpayers who will apply and obtain in from the heirs electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain the N. So I will click over yes, then you have to click over I agree, and then you write your personal information again, and you click over next. Right now we have here the next page is setting up small business banking. About this one, you have just to read this information, then you have to also read this one. Then if you are interested, you click over yes, I'm interested. About the next step, it's tax strategy and free consultation. This consultation can help you identify important tax deductions and provide insight into the heirs tax classification of your new business. The offer is completely free of charge and does not obligate you in any way. So what you will learn, your LLC tax, choose the proper LLC tax election, commonly missed tax deduction, and this one. So you click over the one you want or the one you need, and then you click over next. About business license and permits, you have just to click over the first one, because the second one you have to pay $99. And this you have to edit your information, so you have to modify your contact info if you did a wrong or mistakes, also agent info, company address. So I didn't make a mistake, so I will click over next, and we have the last step, it's billing information. As you can see, you can choose credit card or PayPal. If you choose credit card, you have just to link your credit card information like card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing address also, and then you click over complete and pay, and this is the last step. As you can see, after that you have also read this information like additional explanation. What is the cancellation policy for my order? So you click over here and get your answers. Also here can I edit my order after it's being placed, what happens after I pay, and how can I track my order. So as you can guys see, with the help of Busy, you can create your own LLC in Texas. It's a straightforward guided process, not to mention how affordable and hassle-free it can be. I hope this video has made the process clearer and made more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more business types and tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comments section down below, and I will be happy to help, and have a fantastic day ahead. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.